Hi guys, this is my breakfast this morning overnight chia seeds, so I soaked this with almond milk. I am going to pour into the bowl, then add some fruit berries. Though adding chia seeds to your diet is unlikely to cause weight loss on its own, it may be a useful addition to a balanced, nutritious diet if you're trying to lose weight. Chia seeds are high in protein and fiber, both of which have been shown to aid weight loss. The smell of the beans frothing the milk, is this something you all feel too? This is also the case when buying coffee from a coffee shop. The vibe, smell of presentation makes such a difference to how much I enjoy the drink.
Kung tatanawin ng pupuntahan, parang malayo ka pa. Kung lilingunin ng pinanggalingan, malayo ka na. Kung titingin sa hakbang ng iba, parang naiiwan ka. Pero kung sarili ang bibigyang pansin, aba, umuusad ka. Maaaring pagtagpuin tayo sa ilang bahagi ng paglalakbay, pero ang totoo, kahit kailan, hindi naman talaga tayo magsasabay-sabay. Magkaiba ang panahon, magkaiba ang daan, magkaiba ang oras, magkaiba ang bilis. Minsan, nakadepende kung saan nakabaling ang paningin. Pero isa lang ang sigurado, kahit mabagal, kahit pahinto-hinto, kahit nakakapagod, kahit nakakahapo, sa huli, makakarating. Huwag na huwag susuko.